We are excited to announce the release of our new Aerpro Total Installation Kits, designed and engineered in Australia specifically to suit Holden VE Series 2 vehicles. Available in two options. First, we have the FP9550BK Piano Black Kit, which suits SV6, SV6Z, SS, SSZ and SSV variants that have the black trim around the factory stereo, climate control unit and display. Second, we have the FP9550GK Gunmetal Kit, which suits the Berlina, Calais, Commodore, Amiga and Equipe variants that have a silver grey trim around the factory stereo, climate control unit and display. The kits come with everything you need to install an aftermarket double-din head unit into the vehicle. They include a double-din fascia with mounting kit and control unit pre-installed, available in gunmetal grey or piano black, vehicle-specific ISO harness, metal support brackets, USB retention lead, reverse camera retention lead, universal steering wheel control patch lead, antenna adapter, and the user manual. Designed for seamless integration, the kits retain important factory features including the steering wheel controls, climate control, factory-fitted parking sensors, reversing camera, microphone, USB port and auxiliary jack. This kit is also compatible with our Aerpro Holden VE pocket replacements, such as our Aerpro AW-CGM1 15-watt wireless charger pocket replacement to add wireless charging to your vehicle. Please visit our website aerpro.com for more information and compatibility with this fascia kit. The FP9550GK and FP9550BK are available now from our Aerpro stockist.